right, so it says during your workout described in page 78, and I realize you don't have page 78 in front of you, but I'll tell you what it is in a second. It says you spend a total of 45 minutes jogging and swimming. You burn 14 calories per minute when jogging and 8 calories per minute when swimming. Okay. Let J be the time that you jog. Write an expression in terms of J for the total calories you burn during the workout. Find the total number of calories that you burn. So we gotta think about this. So let's unpack this. So basically, we're gonna set this up and then probably combine like terms. I think, right? So it says during the workout you burn 14 calories per minute when you're jogging. Okay. And then, so what would that look like? Well, that would be 14 calories per the number of minutes that you're jogging. And it said, let J be the time that you jog in minutes. So what do I do with the J and the 14? And let's think about this mathematically. Like, here's the thing. When you do algebraic expressions, sometimes you don't know how to write the expression, but if you just plug a number in there. So if I burn 14 calories per minute, and I ran for 5 minutes, what do I do with those two numbers to figure out the total calories that I burned? You would add them. So 14 plus 5 equals 19. Does that seem right? See, there's only a couple choices, right? We add, multiply, subtract, divide. So it's 14 calories. So just, like close your eyes and think of that. Mr. Adams burns 14 calories a minute, and I run for 5 minutes. I jog for 5 minutes. Does 19 calories seem like the right answer? No. So here's the thing. If I subtract the numbers, 14 minus 5 would be 9. Well, that can't be right because I jogged for 5 minutes. Yeah, it's multiplying. So if you exhaust all the other options, you figure out that it's multiplying. And then 14 times 5 would be, what's that, 20 plus 50? 70, I think, right? Well, that makes sense. So how do I write that? Well, the expression will be 14 times the total number of minutes that I jog. I don't know how many minutes I'm jogging, so I'm just going to say 14 times J or 14J. Whew. Are we done? No. The problem is I know that I burn 8 calories per minute when I'm swimming. Now, here's the tricky part. I don't know how many minutes I was swimming. But I do know that whatever it is, it's going to be 8 minutes times whatever I was swimming. And I could put S, but it says here, and this is the clue, I do jogging and swimming for 45 minutes. So if I jogged for 20 minutes, how long did I swim? If the total was 45. Yeah, you got the right answer. But what am I doing? I'm taking 45, right? Because that's the total number of minutes that I swam. And then I'm subtracting the number of minutes that I jogged. And I'm going to add that to 14J. Okay? And then that's it. That's the expression. But now it says find the total number of calories if you burn for 20 minutes or if you jog for 20 minutes. So that tells me that at some point I'm going to plug in 20 for J. So we have an expression here. I want to combine everything and simplify it. So how do I do that? What do you notice on this problem that was similar to one of the other example problems? There's parentheses there, right? So that means I'm going to distribute this 8 through the parentheses. So this 14J stays the same, but 8 times 45 is 360. Whoops, that's not a 6. And then 8 times negative J is just negative 8J. So now we got to simplify that. What are the like terms? Anything with a J. So I'm going to say 14J minus 8J. And then I'm going to tack on this 360 at the end, right? What's 14 minus 8? And just think about this. If I have 14 J's in my hand, and the student that I'm not going to say their name comes up and they steal, rob me of my 8 J's, how many do I have left? 6. I'm just joking. You're a very sweet and kind person. But I would have 6. So anyways, you get, we ran out of time. So it's 6J plus 360, and then you plug in the 20. Sorry about that. Okay, have a good day.